For the last 70 years, the Corvette has claimed the throne as the top dog of American sports cars. And this 2023 Stingray convertible with the 70th anniversary package is stunning in carbon flash metallic gray with a tritone white, red, and black interior. Check out the way this top operates. It's so cool. And here it comes back down. All automated. You can actually do that from the key fob. There's also a button right here on the driver's door that will do the top as well as the windows, of course. You get memory seats, power windows, of course, everything you could have asked for. Alcantara everywhere, and check out the white, black, and red interior. The seats are so cool. You're not reading that wrong. This thing's got exceptionally low miles. Steering wheel controls, of course, it does have the Z button there. The Z button for the Z51 Performance Packet lets you customize your ride. Of course, it does have boost radio, getting some Christian hip hop going there. Navigation, of course, built in as well. And backup camera. You really need the backup camera. This thing is very, very low to the ground. You can see all the heated and cooled seats buttons here, as well as the air conditioner buttons and such right there on that strip. In the back, you do have actually a decent sized trunk. Fit a couple of suitcases, golf bag in there. Come get it today.